Energy-efficient windows in Palmetto Bay are a top choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's energy performance. These windows are designed to reduce energy consumption, leading to significant window cost savings. Palmetto Bay. By choosing energy-efficient window replacement Palmetto Bay, residents can enjoy improved window energy ratings and increased comfort in their homes with energy-efficient windows. Palmetto Bay. Window installation in Palmetto Bay is a crucial service for those seeking to upgrade their homes with the latest window technology. Professional window contractors Palmetto Bay offer a range of services, including double-glazed windows Palmetto Bay and vinyl window replacement Palmetto Bay. These services ensure that your home is equipped with the best window styles Palmetto Bay has to offer, including energy-efficient windows. Palmetto Bay. Double-glazed windows Palmetto Bay are an excellent choice for homeowners looking to improve window insulation. These windows provide superior thermal performance, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. With the addition of argon-filled windows Palmetto Bay, residents can further enhance their window efficiency. Palmetto Bay, leading to reduced energy bills and better results from energy-efficient windows. Palmetto Bay. Window installation services in Palmetto Bay are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular window maintenance Palmetto Bay can prevent costly installations and ensure that your windows continue to perform at their best. Whether you need window glass replacement Palmetto Bay or window sealing Palmetto Bay, local experts are ready to assist with energy-efficient windows. Palmetto Bay. Low-E glass windows Palmetto Bay are a popular choice for those seeking to improve window performance. These windows feature a special coating that reflects heat, enhancing window durability. Palmetto Bay and reducing energy costs. By investing in low-E glass, homeowners can enjoy the benefits of energy-saving windows. Palmetto Bay and the long-term value of energy-efficient windows. Palmetto Bay. Window frames Palmetto Bay play a significant role in the overall efficiency and appearance of your windows. Choosing the right window frames can enhance window styles. Palmetto Bay and improve window energy ratings. Vinyl windows are a popular option due to their durability and low maintenance requirements, and they pair perfectly with energy-efficient windows. Palmetto Bay. Thermal window installation Palmetto Bay is a service that can greatly improve the energy efficiency of your home. By installing thermal windows, homeowners can enjoy better window insulation. Palmetto Bay and increased comfort. This service is ideal for those looking to upgrade their residential window services. Palmetto Bay with energy-efficient windows. Palmetto Bay. Window tinting services Palmetto Bay offer an additional layer of protection and privacy for your home. Tinting can reduce glare, enhance window performance. Palmetto Bay, and protect your interior furnishings from UV damage. This service is a valuable addition to any window upgrade. Palmetto Bay and works seamlessly with energy-efficient windows. Palmetto Bay. Window contractors Palmetto Bay are experienced professionals who can guide you through the process of selecting and installing the best windows for your home. With their expertise, you can achieve optimal window efficiency. Palmetto Bay and enjoy the benefits of modern window technology. Palmetto Bay, including energy-efficient windows. Palmetto Bay. Energy-efficient windows in Palmetto Bay are a top choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's energy performance. These windows are designed to reduce energy consumption, leading to significant window cost savings. Palmetto Bay. With advanced window technology. Palmetto Bay, these windows offer superior window insulation. Palmetto Bay, ensuring your home remains comfortable year-round with energy-efficient windows. Palmetto Bay. Window installation in Palmetto Bay is expertly handled by professional window contractors. Palmetto Bay. These experts specialize in a variety of window styles. Palmetto Bay, including double-glazed windows. Palmetto Bay and vinyl window replacement. Palmetto Bay. Their services ensure that your window upgrade. Palmetto Bay is seamless and efficient, enhancing both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your home with energy-efficient windows. Palmetto Bay. For those seeking window installation services in Palmetto Bay, look no further. Palmetto Bay Window Installation Services offer comprehensive solutions, from window glass replacement. Palmetto Bay to window sealing. Palmetto Bay. These services are crucial for maintaining window durability Palmetto Bay and ensuring long-term window performance Palmetto Bay, particularly for energy-efficient windows Palmetto Bay. Thermal window installation Palmetto Bay is an excellent choice for homeowners aiming to improve window efficiency Palmetto Bay. These windows, often featuring low-E glass windows Palmetto Bay and argon-filled windows Palmetto Bay, provide exceptional thermal insulation. This results in enhanced window energy ratings Palmetto Bay, contributing to overall energy savings with energy-efficient windows Palmetto Bay. Window tinting services Palmetto Bay offer an additional layer of protection and privacy for your home. By reducing glare and blocking harmful UV rays, window tinting enhances window performance Palmetto Bay and contributes to energy-saving windows Palmetto Bay. This service is a valuable addition to any residential window upgrade Palmetto Bay, particularly when combined with energy-efficient windows Palmetto Bay. Residential window services Palmetto Bay encompass a wide range of offerings, from window maintenance Palmetto Bay to window glass replacement Palmetto Bay. Regular maintenance is key to preserving window efficiency Palmetto Bay and ensuring that your windows continue to provide optimal performance, especially with energy-efficient windows Palmetto Bay. Vinyl windows are a popular choice for window replacement in Palmetto Bay due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. Vinyl window replacement Palmetto Bay offers a cost-effective solution for homeowners looking to enhance their home's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Many residents choose vinyl windows as a complement to energy-efficient windows Palmetto Bay. Window frames Palmetto Bay play a crucial role in the overall performance of your windows. Choosing the right frames can significantly impact window energy ratings Palmetto Bay and contribute to window cost savings Palmetto Bay. With a variety of materials and styles available, homeowners can find the perfect match to pair with energy-efficient windows Palmetto Bay. Energy-efficient window replacement Palmetto Bay is an investment that pays off in the long run. By upgrading to energy-saving windows Palmetto Bay, homeowners can enjoy reduced energy bills and increased comfort. This upgrade is a smart choice for those looking to improve their home's energy efficiency and overall value with energy-efficient windows Palmetto Bay.